tree.
Oh, was it?
Yes, you can see the flame and the smoke, babe.
Oh, you ain't getting through
Yeah,
here.
you can't get through. Nope.
Holy shit.
Hold on a minute, let me...
Go back. Take the main road.
Yeah, and that's on fire. So you see the smoke up in the air behind you. The whole pole is on fire.
Yep.
Guys, we've been trying to go to...
That's not a road.
You could do a cave turn in there, though.
No.
Turn
Go back
around.
here and just turn around. Somebody else is turning around.
We've been trying to get to a place called BB's Outlet in Oxford for 2 days. And I'm convinced, yesterday we went and the store was closed for a company picnic. And today, that pole is actually on fire. There's a flame at the top of the pole and it's on fire, so it got struck. And so this is what we have today. And thankfully my husband pulled over to a clearing because those big trees could have been on top of us.
Yep.
If we had proceeded down the road. So, safe thing to do, find a clearing with no large trees looming above you and no wires that can come down on your vehicle. And that is where you should stay until the storm passes.
Yep.
It looked like there were several trees down back there. So, yeah, that could definitely easily take you out of this life. So, yep, it's going because it's on fire. And I only could see it when I looked straight up over the windshield. I could see the flame and the thing sparking and all the smoke. And I was like, oh no, that's on fire. Take care, everyone.